Hey there, fellow explorers! Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just planning your very first adventure, welcome to a journey that's not just about seeing the world, but about protecting it too. So, you want to travel the world and make a positive impact? You're in the right place. Eco-friendly travel isn't just a trend, it's a movement, and every traveler can be a part of it. I've been to some countries, and trust me, every small choice adds up when it comes to protecting our planet. The best part? Sustainable travel often leads to richer, more meaningful experiences. Let's jump into top tips for eco-conscious adventurers. These hacks are easy to follow and can make a real difference no matter where you roam. First up, pack light and pack smart. Think about what you truly need and leave the rest behind. The less you bring, the lighter the plane. And that means less fuel burned. It's a simple step, but it really does help reduce emissions. Opt for reusable items, a sturdy water bottle, bamboo utensils, cloth bags, and even a reusable coffee cup. These essentials are lightweight and save you money in the long run. It's amazing how much single-use plastic you'll avoid with just a little prep. You'll also inspire others around you to do the same, creating a ripple effect. Next, when you're booking flights, try to go non-stop. Fewer layovers mean less time in the air and less fuel used overall. Takeoffs and landings burn the most fuel, so fewer connections mean a smaller carbon footprint. If you can, choose airlines with newer, more efficient fleets. And hey, if you can, consider traveling by train or bus. These options are often more scenic and relaxing than flying, and they're much better for the environment. It's not just greener, it's a great way to see landscapes and meet locals. You'll discover hidden gems and stories you'd never find from 30,000 feet up. Where you stay matters too. Your accommodation choices can have a big impact on the places you visit. Look for eco-certified hotels or guest houses. These places are committed to reducing waste, saving energy, and supporting local communities. Places that invest in solar power or use local products are doing their part, and your choice supports them. You'll often find these stays are more unique and welcoming too. Airbnbs or homestays with green practices? Even better. Ask your host about their sustainability efforts and share your own tips. Getting around once you arrive? Go for bikes, electric scooters, or your own 2 feet. Public transport is another great option in many cities. Walking a city is the best way to soak up its vibe, and it leaves zero emissions behind. Plus, you'll stumble upon local cafes, street art, and friendly faces. If you do rent a car, consider an electric or hybrid model. Many destinations now offer charging stations and incentives for green vehicles. Support local everything: food, guides, souvenirs. Shopping local means your money goes directly to the people who make your trip special. Every dollar that stays in the community helps preserve natural spaces and traditions. It's a win-win for travelers and locals alike. Plus, local food has a smaller carbon footprint, and honestly, it's always the tastiest option. Don't be afraid to try something new, you might discover your new favorite dish. And here's a big one: respect wildlife. Observe animals from a distance and never feed or disturb them. Skip the animal rides and selfie ops that exploit creatures. Wild animals belong in the wild, not in tourist attractions. Instead, join ethical tours that protect habitats and educate visitors. Your curiosity can help fund conservation and raise awareness. Leave no trace. Pack out your trash, stick to marked trails, and keep a safe distance from animals. Lastly, offset your travel. Even small actions, like picking up litter, make a difference. If you have to fly, check out credible programs that plant trees or invest in renewable energy. These offsets help balance out the emissions from your trip. It's not a free pass, but it helps balance out the impact. Every bit counts, and together we can make travel more sustainable for future generations. Traveling green isn't about being perfect. It's about making better choices, one trip at a time. Celebrate your progress and share your tips with others. If we all do a little, together it adds up to a lot. The world is waiting for us to explore it responsibly. Ready to explore the world and leave it better than you found it? Let's make our next adventure a green one. Safe travels, and remember, every step you take can help protect this beautiful planet. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.